People worrying about Iraq and crying about Iraq and don't even know who the Iraqis are. Now every time you hear about a Muslim cleric, he's Shia. Those who curse Abu Bakr, those who curse Umar, those who say that all of the Sahaba became kuffar except 3. Salman al-Farsi, Abu Dhar, and Miqdad. Those that the Quran that we have is only a third of it. Zida fi, some increase has been made in it. Wa naqasa minha kathir, and a lot of it's lost. This is the madness that the people are up on. And this miskin, this jahil, this one who has not enough taqwa, not enough sense of respect to come learn the deen of Allah, is running his mouth about jihad and going over there and protecting and defending people he don't even know. Their leader Khomeini said to the Shia that were in Afghanistan, take it easy with the Russians, for when they leave, your real enemy you can deal with them. And the Sunnis. The Sunnis. And you don't know what Ahl Raf did? You don't know what the Shia are on? We got to talk about that sometime. It's amazing that our brothers don't know about the facade of Al-Qama, and how all throughout history the Shia have gathered with the Jews and the Christians and fire worshippers to attack the Muslims. And you see it happen right before your eyes. History repeating itself, and people don't even see it. Because they don't pay attention to history. And they're not concerned about Aqidah. And I guess that Abu Hassan Ash'ari in Maqalat Islamiyya just felt like talking about the Shia. And I guess that Shaykh al-Islam Ibn Taymiyyah in Minhaj al-Sunnah just felt like writing 4 or 5 or 6 volumes on the Shia. I guess that it's just been that way that Khatib Baghdadi wrote about them in Firq wa Firaq. And Muhibbuddin Khatib wrote his Khutut al-Arida, broad aspects of the Shia to let you know what these people are on, and we forgot all of that. We got to go back to 1979, where some of the ignoramuses, and unfortunately half of them have to be African Americans, ran up into the Washington Masjid in Washington, and every one of them went to jail, and every one of them got some time for the Shia. Didn't know what the Shia was on. Didn't know what they was believing. Didn't know that they got dua, sana make Quraysh, dua where they talk and make curses and curses about what Umar. Call him the Tawaghit. We say the Taghut is Iblis. Anything that is worshipped other than Allah, they say the Taghut is Abu Bakr Umar. Don't know that they say that their so-called false Mahdi, when he comes back, who's, by the way, in a cave, as Shaykh al-Islam here, Rahimullah used to say before they killed him, and you can hear the tape in which they assassinated him, because he was one of the staunchest responders against him, wrote books against him. They blew him up, Rahimullah. But he said about them that this Mahdi of theirs is in a cave that not even a rat's going to come out of. Their so-called leader, they have a belief they call Aqidah Raja, a return, where they're going to whoop Aisha. First they're going to kill Abu Bakr, and then bring him back alive, and then kill Abu Bakr, and then bring him back alive, and then kill Abu Bakr, until they do it what? Thousands of times. Then they're going to bring Umar, and kill Umar, and then bring him back alive, and then kill Umar, and then bring him back alive, until what? Until they do it over 1,000 times. Then they're going to bring Aisha, al-Mu'mineen, mother believers, and they're going to flog her. What are you flogging her for? Don't tell me you're flogging her for adultery. When Allah Ta'ala revealed ayat in Surah An-Nur, talking about her innocent, you kafir, you khabib, you dajjal, you're still trying to say she needs to be whipped for adultery? There's no need for her to be whipped for adultery, because it never happened. It is a fiction of your mind. Allah Ta'ala said she was innocent. It was that which the munafiqeen and others lied about her regarding, and Allah sent ayahs from Surah An-Nur showing clearly that she was innocent of it, and you still have audacity to say your so-called Mahdi gonna beat her, gonna whoop her, whoop on Aisha. Raja. They have all types of aqaid regarding Allah. That Allah is ignorant about certain things. And then, it becomes clear to him. These are the people that George Bush wants to hand Iraq to. You liberated the people, you claim, from physical oppression, from getting thrown in prisons, and now you're going to imprison them in shirk and dalala, which is worse. Didn't Allah say the fitna is worse than killing? Fitna is shirk. It's worse than killing. Killing Muslims left and right, slaughtering them. Children women with their children in the car trying to pass a roadblock, get blown away. But you won't touch a mosque. One mosque, a Shi'i mosque. In Karbala or Najaf, you won't touch it. It's holy. All the Shia do is commit shirk. Laylan wa nahar, night and day, they commit shirk. They establish shirk. They institute shirk. They call it shirk. And you don't want to touch that. And he said, subhanallah, when we gonna open our eyes? Ya Ahl al-Hadith, where you at? Are you asleep? Ya Ahl al-Sunnah, Ya man yaqul innakam ala minhaj as-salaf salih. You say that you're on the way to salaf salih. Where you at, man? Where's the end? Where's the information? Where's the education? Where's the raising? Where's your stature? Where's your status? Where you at? Everybody's voice is heard but yours. Everybody's spreading their batter and you got the hawk and you're not moving with it. Allahu Akbar.